wing, tail, ribs, giblets.
I don't think I have an anger issue. I think you got an anger issue. Oh, pluck my life.
Yeah, when birds fly.
Rabbit, fish, locust, king pigeon, and of course, downward duck.
Ugh.
What's a pig? What would a mighty eagle battle cry sound like? You know what? I think I got an idea. Maybe something like, It's chat time!
Gaze upon mighty eagle! Bring it home, mamacita.
Excuse me. Party foul.
Let's do it! That is simply unreal.
Welcome to the Infinity Acceptance Group. I am Matilda.
You're gonna have a blast! I'm really fun.
Deep breath.
Hi. And now we've come to the prestigious Palms District.
Surf's up, you guys.
Not working.
Welcome to our new friends, the pigs! What do we do now?
Greetings from my world, the world of the pigs.
I am a pig.
Picture! Group picture!
Spoiler alert.
Let her go, boys! Yeehaw!